sure.
ও আচ্ছা হ্যাঁ তার ট্রিট দিবেন না স্যার ঠিক করছেন
Yes, yes.
হ্যাঁ স্যার
I will
ট্রিট দিবেন
send
না
you the treat. No problem. Okay, look.
স্যার
Look
মোর্শেদ
at
স্যার
the
বেবিকে
diagram.
তাহলে
দেখছেন
পেপার 2 এর মার্কগুলো ফ্রিতে দিয়ে দেন ফুল
Yeah.
মার্কস
স্যার
আমাকে
স্যার
স্পেশালি
Please
স্যার
have a
মোর্শেদ
look
স্যার
on the
বেবিকে দেখছেন
diagram. Moshi, can you read
হ্যাঁ
for
স্যার
me, please? Question number 3.
স্যার আপনাকে আমি একটা কথা আজ করছি স্যার আপনি শুনছেন
Which one?
মোর্শেদ
Which
স্যারের
one?
বেবি হয়েছে দেখছেন
Yes, yes. I got that one. I talked to him and I wished him for that one.
হ্যাঁ স্যার তার মানে মোর্শেদ
Yesterday.
স্যারের ট্রিট আপনার একসাথে পাইতেছি ঠিক আছে স্যার আপনার ল্যাপটপ
Inshallah,
ঠিক
inshallah.
হওয়ার
Don't worry. Treat will be there.
বলছেন কিন্তু ইনশাআল্লাহ মানে কিন্তু না না ইনশাআল্লাহ মানে আল্লাহ যদি ইচ্ছা করে এটা কিন্তু হ্যাঁই বলা
No
হয়
problem. You don't worry. Yeah, treat will go. You are only few students. I used to feed, around 300, 400 people in Jeddah. Okay, so no problem. Don't worry. Now, question number 3.
আমরা তো মাত্র 4 জন
Yeah, yeah.
তার
Continue.
মানে
please.
আমরা 300 400 জন ট্রিট পেয়ে যাচ্ছি
Yeah,
বেশি
inshallah.
প্রফিটেবল
Don't
কিন্তু
worry. 3. Question 3. Continue.
ওয়াও
Moshi,
ওয়াও হ্যাঁ স্যার
Moshi,
Thin
please.
were covered in plastic insulation. স্যার পড়ছি তো শুনতে
Yeah.
পাচ্ছেন না?
Yes, yes, yes.
Thin were covered in plastic insulation is used to make a স্যার এক সেকেন্ড
Solenoid. Solenoid. Long coil.
স্যার আমি আর কিচ্ছু পড়তে পারতেছি না
Why?
গেছে আমার
Internet
কানেকশন গেছে আমি ঝাপসা দেখছি
Your internet
হ্যাঁ।
problem? Then Ziba, continue, please, from there.
The solenoid is connected to a sensitive ammeter. Figure 3.1 shows the north pole of a steel magnet placed next to the solenoid. Point X and point Y are on the axis of the solenoid. A1. Explain why plastic is an electric insulator.
You also give the answer. Write the answer.
Sir, আমি ফোনে
Yes. Okay. No problem. Why plastic?
because the layers cannot slide over each other probably এটাই হবে
Electrical insulator. You had this idea in static electricity. That is plastic. Yeah, plastic does not have any free electrons. Why metals are conductor? Because metals have free electrons. And insulator, they are insulator because they don't have free electrons. So write it, everyone, please.
Sir, লিখবো কি no free electrons in plastic, that why it is an
Just
electric
you write
insulator.
because the plastic does not have any free electrons. This one you write only. Okay. As plastic does not have
any free electrons
have any free electrons. So you go through the previous topic when you are getting time. That's very important now, because we are after few days.
এরকম টাইপের কোশ্চেন কেমিস্ট্রিতে অনেক আসে যে এটা কেন ইনসুলেটর না আলটিমেটলি মুখস্থ হয়ে যায় করতে করতে
Yeah, after some days we will start the revision work. Hopefully after 2 weeks. So you.
স্যার বাই দ্য ওয়ে শুরুতে যেগুলো করছি একদম ভালোভাবে একটু গো থ্রু করেন তো কারণ অনেক কিছুই মানে মনে নাই ক্লাস 8 9 এ যেগুলো করছি বলতে গেলে কিছুই না
I will go through. Don't worry. I will go through all the topics. No problem. Explain.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam. How are you, Aisha?
I'm fine, sir. How are you?
Alhamdulillah. So this one, continue. Ziba, this one. Explain why.
Explain why the magnet is not made from aluminum.
অ্যালুমিনিয়াম কি ম্যাগনেটিক
না।
ম্যাটেরিয়াল আছে তাহলে
It's
না
not a magnetic material.
So you write here about aluminium.
It is
Why?
not a magnetic material.
Yes, this is the appropriate answer. So it should be, it's not a magnetic material. It's not a magnetic material. So this is appropriate answer. Then iron, about iron,
Because it is a temporary
Soft
magnet.
magnet.
it is a
Temporary.
soft magnetic material. Huh? You say that one is more appropriate.
Temporary soft বললেই
Soft magnetic material. And soft magnetic material is used to make temporary magnet. Our target is to make permanent magnet. Steel magnet is a permanent magnet. It is a soft magnetic material. Okay. So done. This part is done, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Ashir. Ashir,
Yes, sir.
how are you?
Yes, sir.
In one place, I got your name Ashair. Then I was confused. It's Ashir, right?
Yes.
Okay. So how is your life going on? Let us
Fine.
know. Let us know if you are facing any difficulty. Okay. You are always silent. You should go through the Google Classroom. Huh? All the materials are there, and some are left. Those very soon I will upload. Some of the recordings are left. My laptop was out of order. Now it's okay. So got it, Ashir?
Yes, sir.
Please take the notes. Huh? Whatever we are discussing, take the notes. In next
স্যার
test,
আমাদের না
in next test, I want you to do better. Huh? Out of 30, everyone should get 25. Huh? At least.
টেস্ট
Yeah, 30.
Wow.
At least 30. If you want, I will make it 40. If you want.
ইন্নালিল্লাহ।
স্যার
30
ওই যে
is
2023 তে না 2023 তে ও লেভেলস অ্যাস্ট্রোফিজিক্স আনবে না হ্যাঁ তাহলে ওই সময় এ লেভেলসে কি আনবে
ওটা নিয়ে আসছে অলরেডি এ লেভেলসে অ্যাস্ট্রোফিজিক্স নিয়ে আসছে ওটা 22 থেকে পাবে আর কি তোমরা পাবা ইউ উইল গেট ইট
আর আপনি 40 করে দিবেন এটা কোনো কথা?
অ্যাস্ট্রোফিজিক্স ইন্টারেস্টিং ছিল বাট ওকে
আচ্ছা 30 রাখবো
That's
30
sad.
রাখবো 40 করব না ওকে
স্যার স্যার
Okay, go.
20 থাকলে স্যার।
আচ্ছা জিবা পড়ো জিবা প্লিজ রিড
In
D.
one experiment, the magnet in figure 3.1 is moved to the left and passes into the solenoid. The north pole of the magnet travels from Y to X at a constant speed. As it moves, the emitter shows a small current. Explain why there is a current in the solenoid when the magnet is moving.
Okay, so
because the magnet
you already
Because the
got the
magnet
idea.
because the
despite the
magnet
magnet
cuts the
field.
wire and the field line moves since there is induced EMF perhaps এরকম কিছু একটা
Okay, so we are writing you what you said is correct. Huh? You said there is induced EMF as magnetic field lines are cut by the wire. You can write wire, you can write coil, whatever. So we got it right. Then we will now verify our answer with the mark scheme. We'll check it from the mark scheme that what mark scheme is saying us. Let us go there. And then we'll understand how to write your answer. So our last class was on 12, right? It is 11 here. Three. question 3 here. So here it is, magnetic field. Magnetic field, only if you mention magnetic field, then 1 mark. Then magnetic field lines cut where, then 2 marks. Then induced EMF, 3 marks. Is it clear?
ফিল্ডার
So
ফ্লাগ কথা না
same thing. That means
হ্যাঁ ওই
alternate. You
পয়েন্টেই
see,
পড়ে হ্যাঁ
slash means you any way you can write.
হ্যাঁ বুঝছি স্যার হ্যাঁ
Okay, so if you only mention magnetic field or flux, then you will get 1 mark. And if you write magnetic field lines are cut by wire, then you are getting 2 marks. Okay, so only for this part, magnetic field lines are cut by the wire, you are getting 2 marks, and for mentioning induced EMF, there is another mark, so 3 marks. Is it clear? And another information I give you, like some of the places you will get for the same question, you will get 2 marks. So that time for writing induced EMF 1 mark, and magnetic field lines are cut by the wire, for the whole part there is 1 mark. Is it clear? So it does not necessary that always there will be same marks distribution for the same writing, or there will be same mark scheme with the marks distribution. There is some change every year, okay, for different exam series. Now we are going to next part. Should I rub it? Can I clear it?
অবশ্যই স্যার
Okay.
অবশ্যই স্যার
Okay, then continue, Ziva.
আচ্ছা স্যার এসব কি আপনি নিজে প্রিপেয়ার করেন নাকি ইন্টারনেটে কোথাও পেয়ে যান
Which one?
চ্যাপ্টার ওয়াইজ কিউপি নাকি নিজে
No,
বসে বসে
this
করা
one
লাগে
I prepared myself. I took it from the past paper, then I prepared. I cut this from the past paper, then I pasted here. Is it clear? I don't make the question paper.
ইয়েস স্যার হ্যাঁ
I am
বুঝছি সেটা বুঝছি হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
taking from past paper, Cambridge past paper, and I am
বুঝছি
organizing
স্যার হ্যাঁ বুঝছি
according to the topic. Okay. And as far as possible, I want to give latest papers so that you can be in the latest track. Okay, and I am
স্যার
giving.
কয়েকটা ওল্ড থেকেও দিয়েন স্যার দেখা যায় যে মাঝে সময় দিয়ে
লেটেস্ট গুলাই করি ওল্ড করস কেন লেটেস্ট গুলাই করি
old,
এটা গুলাই তো ভালো
একটার কথা বলছি
I always research on it. Okay, always research on it, that how the question pattern is changing. Yeah, so that way I try to gather my questions. Okay, now continue, Ziva.
The North Pole travels from Y to X in 0.14 seconds. As it moves, the current shown on the ammeter is 0.045 mA.
Milliampere.
The resistance,
You read milliampere.
the million.
Yeah.
Million ampere, the resistance of the solenoid is 1.2 ohms. Calculate 1, the potential difference PD across the solenoid.
So this is from DC circuit, right? So you got
V
another
equals to IR.
experience. Yeah. You got another experience that though we are doing now topic 23, 22, but you will, or you might get some ideas or questions from previous topic also, so that you can recall them. You should also
আচ্ছা স্যার
keep in your mind these things. Yeah, tell me.
স্যার ডিসি কিভাবে বুঝলাম
Which one?
এটা কি যেন শুনলাম ডিসি না কি যেন
Potential difference. Oh, DC
আচ্ছা।
circuit. DC circuit. I told
হ্যাঁ।
DC circuit. That why I am saying DC circuit, because you had one topic name. Topic 19 was current electricity. For topic 20 was
ও
DC
হ্যাঁ বুঝছি
circuit.
আচ্ছা টপিক নিয়ে বলতেছিলাম আমি
Yeah,
ভাবছি এই কোশ্চেনটা নিয়ে ডিসির
yeah.
সাথে কোনো ইয়ে আছে এই
Yeah,
জন্য
topic
বলছি
21 was practical electricity, and before that topic 18, it was static electricity, And before that, topic 17 was magnetism, electromagnetism. So all these things you should have in your mind, where you did what and what was the concept there, what were the formulas there. So what should be the formula? The potential difference
A
across
equals
the
I.
solid. V equals
V
IR. So
equals to IR.
calculate it and tell me the answer, please.
0.054.
So what about others? Please do it. Everyone do it. I want everyone to do. One student will do and you will only copy paste. It's not fair. You also do by your own. Everyone do and let me verify that her answer and your answer is matching or not. Please do it. Aisha, are you doing? Ashia?
Sir,
Yes.
potential difference, potential difference definition लिखी थी already. Power,
Potential
no?
difference definition I can tell you, that is energy per coulomb. To energy per coulomb to change electrical energy to other forms of energy. That is potential difference. Okay. So potential difference, voltage, same thing. Potential difference is the scientific name of voltage. And now here you do not need the definition, you need the formula, right?
Sir, potential difference voltage, voltages, voltage
Scientific
formula
name
use कर
is
देना. To find the potential difference, we can use the formula of voltage.
yes. Potential difference, I told you, it is the scientific name of voltage. So it's the same thing.
Okay.
Just
স্যার
one is
প্রথমটা 0.054 ভোল্ট আসছে।
your potential difference.
হ্যাঁ, নাম্বার 2 কেমনে করে?
Okay, so what about others? What Ziba told, does it match? Ziba, can you verify with
নাম্বার
your
2 কিভাবে করে?
নাম্বার 1 এর
নাম্বার
আনসার বলো আগে।
0.054
ঠিক আছে।
0.054 millivolt. Everyone got it?
0.054 millivolt.
Yes,
এমভি
excellent.
না দিলে মানে মিলিভোল্ট না দিলে মার্কস কাটবে না?
Of course they will cut us. Yeah, you should write the unit properly. 0.054 millivolt, and you know the formula, right? What is the formula, Moshe?
লিখি
What is the formula? V equals IR, right?
পড়ে গেছে।
Isn't it? So write this formula, do the calculation, and the answer is coming this. Okay, now the charge. What is the formula for charge?
পাওয়ারের সাথে কিছু ছিল না।
No, simple formula. I equals Q by
চার্জ
T.
বাই টাইম।
Yeah,
চার্জ
so
বাই
write
টাইম,
that.
বাট কিসের সাথে ছিল জানি না।
Yeah,
কোনটা ছিল ফর্মুলাটা আমার মনে নাই।
চার্জ বাই টাইম মনে আছে কিন্তু কোনটার সাথে?
I equals Q by T. This way.
আই কি ছিল, কিউ ছিল হচ্ছে টি হচ্ছে টাইম, আই হচ্ছে কারেন্ট, কিউ কি চার্জ।
Q is charge. So Q will be
current.
everything is written. You take the notes.
স্যার লাস্ট মোমেন্টে কিচ্ছু বুঝি নাই, গত 5 মিনিট ধরে কি বলছেন স্যার, এত আটকাইছে।
Okay, now
নাম্বার
you
1 এ জাস্ট v ইকুয়ালস
take
i
the
আর
notes.
ফর্মুলাটা বসা, ডান।
Yeah, the
and then
worksheet is available.
0.045 into 1.2 কর চলে আসে।
So look here, I. What is the value of I given?
0.045
0.045. It is in milliamperes, right?
এর নিতে হবে।
Then time is given in
Time.
SI. Time is given in SI.
0.14
yeah, so when you are getting different like if you are not changing, then it will be coming in millicoulomb. But if you are changing, it will be coming in coulomb. Is it clear? You should keep it. Yeah, you should be very much careful about this unit. So if you are, so can you tell me the answer now? Q equals IT
0.0063 millicoulomb.
আমার
if you keep in index form, like standard form, then
Standard form এ রাখবো।
yeah, that will be better, because 0000, so many zeros, it's confusing. You can
7.54 into 10 to the power of -3.
কই আসছো 6.3 রে?
আর আসছে 6.3 into 10 to the power -3 মিলিকলম।
yeah,
ওইটাই যদি
আচ্ছা,
হয়
কলম কিভাবে লিখে? সি না জাস্ট বিগ সি, বিগ
yeah,
লেটার?
তো
big
এম
C,
বড়
big
সি,
C,
হ্যাঁ
big C, big C,
হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে।
big C. So what you got? Answer 0. What you got? 6.3.
6.3 into 10 to the power -3.
Okay, 6.3. I'm writing
10 to the power -3 millicoulomb.
0.3 times 10 to the power -3. If you write this way, then it will be millicoulomb, right? Okay, so it is correct. Your calculation is correct. Now, if you are done, then we can go to next one. Are you done, everyone?
Yes, sir, done.
Or you can write, if someone is changing it into SI unit, then it will be 6.3 times 10 to the power -6. 10 to the power
আচ্ছা
-6
স্যার, আজকের ক্লাস আর কতক্ষণ? আমার মাথা ঘুরাইতে স্যার, বমি আসছে।
coulomb. Didn't you take the
25
breakfast?
পর্যন্ত।
Didn't you take the
ও আচ্ছা, না
breakfast?
আমি তো খাইও নাই না।
For that reason, you're okay. Now we are done with this part. Everyone, can we go to next one? Are you done?
Yes, sir, done, sir. হয়ে গেছে।
Everyone is done. Aisha, Azmain. Okay, good. Then we are going to
Done.
next part. Yeah, Aisha, you read. You read from C. Part C.
In a second experiment, the speed of the end pole is greater than its speed in the experiment. It now takes only 0.070 seconds to travel from Y to X. A current in the same direction is shown on the ammeter. State and explain how the size of this current compares with the size of the current in the first experiment.
Okay, so we are going to previous information. Look, here we had 0.14 second. Now the end pole is moved with greater speed. That's why the time is taken half from Y to X.
So
Try to keep it in your mind. Yeah, that
Current increases.
That means the current increases by 2.
So what
Current
should be the
increases
answer
by
here?
2.
So
Current increases by 2 since the magnetic field lines cuts the wire faster in half the time.
So you write it on your copy, and also I'm writing here. You tell me, the current
increases by 2.
The current
increases by 2 now. Into 2 হবে না নাকি by 2 বলে?
Increases কত ওটা লেখা লাগবে নাকি?
Becomes
এক
twice.
মিনিট, increases কত ওটা লেখা লাগবে নাকি?
The current
becomes twice.
Or
the size of the current becomes
okay,
twice.
Fine. The current becomes twice. Becomes double, right?
Twice.
Double. The current becomes double. Why?
Since the magnetic field lines cut the wire in half the time or quickly.
The magnetic field lines
are cut quickly.
Lines are cut. কি লিখবো? Then
More quickly.
quickly.
Cut
That
quickly
means
or by
half,
half of the time.
By half
একটা
the
বললে
time
হয়েছে।
লেখো।
by
Time দিয়ে করতেছি কেন?
half of the time.
Or slash quickly দিলেও হয়।
Half of the time than before. Okay.
আচ্ছা স্যার আজকে শেষ করে দাম, ভালো লাগতেছে না আসলে।
Than before. Okay, the current becomes double since the time is half, right? Isn't it? So done. This part is done. Now next. If you are done with writing, we are going to next part.
ডান স্যার, তাড়াতাড়ি
Okay.
পর্যন্ত যান, আপনাদের মনে অবস্থা খারাপ।
Okay. Then next. Aisha, continue.
কতক্ষণ আর?
Aisha, continue.
আরেকটা কর,
Yes,
24 পর্যন্ত, ততক্ষণে হয়ে যাবে।
Let us finish this. Let us finish at least this question. Yeah. Then.
ভালো লাগতেছে না।
Okay.
The same
You.
লাস্ট পয়েন্ট করে
quantity,
যান।
Yeah. Continue.
the same quantity of charge passes through the coil in both the first and second experiments. Explain why this is the case.
Okay. So the quantity of charge is not changing, right? Here.
Yes.
We
it's
are not
changing.
taking different conductor from outside. The same conductor is there, so free electrons will be same, right? Available there.
Yes.
So amount of charge is fixed there. Because only what we are doing, we are taking the time half. That is the only change, but the amount of charge is same. So you can write this one here. Can you tell me what you are going to write?
The quantity of charge is the same.
Because
The source is the same.
because the same conductor is used, right? Conductor is
But
used.
the charge remains 0.05 মানে
That's
6
why.
to the power minus
That's
3
why.
millicoulomb.
That's why the number of free electrons are fixed. Free electrons are fixed. Only time is half. I am writing everything so that it's making more understandable to you. Only time has become half. That's it. Okay, done.
Yes, sir.
Oh, Azmain, thank you. Thank you for your
কি রে,
reply.
তোর মাইক আছে?
So can we remove it? Can we clear it?
ইয়েস স্যার।
If you are done, then I can clear it.
হ্যাঁ স্যার, তাড়াতাড়ি এই পর্যন্ত শেষ।
Okay, then Azmain, can you read it? Azmain will read it and Adnan will answer it.
Sir, which one?
D. We did before, right? Before D, then now we are doing D. Continue D.
State two ways in which Sir, আমারটা এখানে ক্লিয়ার না।
Okay, Adnan, you continue, please. Adnan. Adnan is there?
আসি স্যার, আসি।
Okay.
হ্যাঁ বলতেছি, এক সেকেন্ড।
Continue, please.
There are two ways in which the equipment shown in figure 3.1 can be used to produce a current in the solenoid that is in the opposite direction.
Okay, so
Moving the magnet from left to right.
like you can say withdrawing the magnet, right? Or taking away the magnet, isn't it? Look, here we are having the magnet towards the coil, right? North pole is towards the solenoid, so you will get the current in one direction. And if you are taking away the magnet, then you will get what? Then you will get different direction of the EMF. Then you can do another thing, like other than giving north pole here, if you are giving here south pole, then you are taking the magnet towards the coil. Again, we will get the different direction. Is it clear to you? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So these 2 points we will write. The first point is taking north pole away from the coil or solenoid, whatever you are saying, same thing. Then another option is taking south pole towards the coil. Okay, these 2 points you can write. There are some other options we can do, but these 2 you write for the timing. Another time we
Meeting
write
বন্ধ
the
হয়ে যাবে
others.
স্যার।
So is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Discussion is clear,
Assalamu
right?
alaikum, sir.
Okay, thank you so much for joining, everyone.
Goodbye,
Allah
sir.
Hafiz.
Yes. Assalamu
Allah
alaikum.
Akbar.
Wa alaikum salam.
Assalamu alaikum.